Hello students, and welcome to step 3 of chapter 14. We're going to add two more elements to our form. We're going to add the checkbox selection and customer comments box, okay? So we're going to hit enter a couple of times here, and we're going to open a P as we've been doing, and this time we're going to write the word extras, colon, and we're going to put a BR tag because we want it to go to a different line. And then we're going to put input type equals, open quote, checkbox, close quote. Name equals, and open quote, extras, close quote. Value equals, open quote. And we're going to use gift wrap as one of the options. And actually, we're only going to have two options here. You can have many more. Same thing with the radio buttons. You can have multiple options with the radio buttons. With the radio buttons, you can only have one selected. With the checkbox, you can select multiple. Okay, so we're going to put gift wrap, which is what's going to show up next to the checkbox, and we're going to put a BR tag here, and I am going to copy this line and paste it, and we're going to make a couple of changes. Okay, the checkbox is the same. It's still going to be type checkbox. It's still going to be extras, but the gift wrap we're going to change to catalog. The customer wants a catalog shipped with their order. Okay, and of course we're going to get rid of the BR and change the text to catalog. All right, and then the only other thing we have to close is the P tag, and Control S, and we'll refresh the page to see what it looks like. And now what we're going to do is we're going to select shade grown Bolivian, whole bean. I want it gift wrapped, and I want a catalog with my order. Okay, so that's how that works. All right, now the next thing we need to do is to create a customer comment box. So here's how that works. Open P, customer comments, colon, and we're going to put a BR tag here. And then we're going to put, this is what's referred to as a text area. Okay, text area. And the name of this text area is going to be comments. Remember now, this is the information that would be sent to the server to match this up with what's on the server. Now here's where you can select how many rows and columns you want it to be, depending on what size you want the customer comment box to be. So we're just going to put a standard rows equals 10. Oops. Yeah, I had that right. Okay. 10. And then columns, which is COLS, equals 48. Now, remember, each character, like a letter, represents a column, and that's vertical. So that needs to be relatively wide. In this case, we're going to use 48. Okay, and we close the bracket for the open text, and all we have to do is basically close the text area tag and then close the P tag. It's as simple as that. Okay, so let's Control S and refresh our page and see what that looks like. Every time you refresh a page, things reset. So I'll choose Kenya, whole bean. I'll take both of these. I love your product. Okay, and then when this form is sent, if we had a PHP page to send it to, this specific information in this comments box would be sent to the server. Okay. All right, so that will end step 3 of chapter 14. Thanks for watching.